Since 1927, Middle Tennessee Medical Center has continued to expand in size and services to meet the needs of its patients and community. In 2008, MTMC continued its dedication to providing quality, safe, and compassionate care to Middle Tennesseans. Throughout the past year, MTMC participated in numerous community events. Last spring, MTMC was the presenting sponsor of the American Heart Association's Go Red for Women campaign, helping to create awareness among women on the effects of heart disease. Team MTMC participated in Tour de Cure to raise funds and awareness for the American Diabetes Association. More than 50 MTMC associates and family participated in the annual Heart Association Heart Walk. And in October, MTMC was the presenting sponsor of the Murfreesboro Middle Half Marathon. MTMC also partnered with the local Child Advocacy Center for its annual Duck Derby, held to raise funds for children in Middle Tennessee. In September, MTMC became the official healthcare provider for MTSU Athletics. This relationship offers a unique way for associates to be recognized at sporting events, as well as for MTSU athletes to visit patients in the hospital. Throughout the year, MTMC made many contributions to the community, including a $12,000 scholarship for emergency medical services, 400 pounds of food donations to Greenhouse Ministries, $26,000 to the United Way of Rutherford and Cannon counties, and Christmas gifts for more than 40 children in Rutherford County. The MTMC Foundation also gave a record amount in grants to the hospital in 2008. The foundation granted MTMC $100,000 for the purchase of a 40-slice CT scanner, which improves image quality and detail, shortening the patient's wait time. Other significant grants include funding for a new EKG transmitter and portable ultrasound in the ER, 3 power injectors for the cath lab, a new computer workstation in the Cancer Center, and numerous pieces of equipment for the Wellness Center's cardiac rehab program. 2008 also brought with it several celebrated and new services. The MTMC Neonatal Intensive Care Unit celebrated 10 years of service with a fall festival for any child or family who had ever been touched by the NICU. Through a $1.75 million Christy Houston Foundation grant, MTMC purchased a robotic Da Vinci surgical system. The Da Vinci robot allows for quicker, less invasive surgeries with shorter recovery times. In July of 2008, the MTMC Stroke Program was announced in U.S. News and World Report for receiving the Silver Performance Achievement Award for Get With the Guidelines Stroke. The Stroke Prevention and Recovery Center also opened in the Bell Street Center, which provides diagnostic testing and consulting for stroke patients. In September 2008, MTMC celebrated the grand opening of the Center for Breast Health with a pink ribbon affair. More than 400 breast cancer survivors and community members came to tour the center, which includes 2 digital mammography units. The MTMC ambassadors also donated 100 spa robes to improve the patient experience. This dedicated center reflects MTMC's commitment to providing the best in women's total health. Recently, the Dispensary of Hope opened in its new location off Thompson Lane. In 2008, the dispensary provided more than $1.5 million in free medication to those unable to afford prescriptions. Also in 2008, St. Thomas Heart opened at MTMC with the addition of 2 interventional cardiologists, Drs. Britt Miaton and Chester Falterman. Through the combined efforts of St. Thomas Heart, Rutherford County EMS, the ER, and Cardiac Cath Lab, MTMC has dramatically improved door-to-balloon times for heart attack patients, providing exceptional cardiac care right here in Murfreesboro. In December, MTMC welcomed Dr. Himalaya Lele, whose expertise will greatly benefit patients in the community. MTMC is also proud of the expansions made in maternity services last year. Other than providing excellent and safe care for more than 2,500 newborns each year, MTMC now offers a birthday party for the baby, professional photography, massages for the mother, and Christmas stockings throughout the holiday season. As MTMC continues to expand its services, it is also expanding its size. On April 16, 2008, MTMC celebrated the groundbreaking of its new $267 million replacement facility. More than 400 guests attended the ceremony, which recognized all who have contributed to the current and future success of MTMC. It was a beautiful ceremony that included the first payment of a $10 million contribution by the Christy Houston Foundation. The ceremony was followed by dinner and a surprise fireworks display to mark the occasion's historical day in MTMC history. 5 months later, MTMC celebrated another milestone with the topping out ceremony. Community members and hospital associates gathered to watch a steel beam being lifted 128 feet onto the highest point of the new facility. All were invited to sign the beam, which was even brought into the MTMC courtyard prior to the ceremony. After 81 years of healthcare service, this is truly a time to build up. As we watch our new facility take shape, we are reminded of the constant efforts and dedicated care that continues within our current hospital. With a staff of nearly 1,100 associates and more than 300 physicians, MTMC is able to provide quality, safe care better than ever before. Thank you for your support and for making MTMC a leader in healthcare for the past 81 years.